Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about my favorite book or comic. First, what is your favorite book or comic? My favorite book or comic is Harry Potter, Doraemon, Conan, The Little Prince. For example, my favorite comic is Doraemon. I have read it many times, but I never get bored. It is very funny and interesting for children. Second, who is the author of the book or comic? It was written by author's name. For example, it was written by Fuiko F. Fuyo, a famous Japanese comic writer. He created many wonderful stories, but Doraemon is the most popular. Millions of children around the world love his work. Third, what is the story about? The story is about a robot cat and a boy, a young wizard, an adventure. For example, the story is about a robot cat named Doraemon who comes from the future to help a boy called Nobita. Doraemon has many magical tools to solve problems. Every story is full of fun and surprises. Fourth, who is your favorite character in the book or comic? My favorite character is character's name because, for example, my favorite character is Doraemon because he is very smart, kind, and always helps Nobita. I also like his magical pocket with so many amazing tools. He makes the story exciting and full of imagination. Fifth, what do you like about this book or comic? I like this book or comic because it is funny, exciting, interesting, teaches me lessons. For example, I like this comic because it is not only funny but also teaches me many lessons about friendship and kindness. The stories are easy to understand and very entertaining. Sometimes I laugh a lot when I read it. Sixth, when do you usually read it? I usually read it in the evening, at the weekend, after school. For example, I usually read it after school when I finish my homework. I also read it at the weekend when I have free time. Reading Doraemon helps me relax and forget stress. Last one. Do you prefer books or comics? Why? I prefer books, comics, because, for example, I prefer comics because they are easy to read and have many pictures. The pictures make the story more colorful and lively. I also enjoy books, but comics are more fun for me. So that is all for books and comics. Thank you!